G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. What you could see there earlier was the light reflecting off the water that's on the stone. It's been wetted to help bring out the colours, the variations of colour. It's just pretty as a cut it into a pendant perhaps like that. It's got quite a nice, quite a nice flash there as it is. Otherwise you're going to cut through there and end up with a stone that's only that wide, which is less than 10 millimeters, but it's also nice fire coming through here in a few spots. Don't know if the camera's picking it up there very well. There's the blues, there's the greens coming through over here now. You'll have to decide whether you're going to make it into maybe a double-sided pendant. But there's this colour on this side up the top and colour on the bottom on this side, so a bit of a quandary what to do, but still fun piece to cut. It's not very expensive. Cheers.